testimonial. Highlight what problem the business was having, how the system that you delivered solved that problem, and compare what the numbers look like before and after. So how you'll actually get in front of these types of clients is sending personalized messages like 10 to 15 per day on platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, or via cold email. And you want to do this every day for 30 days without fail. This is a kind of momentum that will get you results. And focus on what the outcome is for the business and lead with value. Show them with a Loom video how much revenue it can generate for the business, how much time it can save them, or how much money it can save them. And make it as low lift as possible for the business. In other words, make it as easy as possible for them to say yes to you without them having to exert a lot of effort. And if they are paying, offer them a money-back guarantee. This incentivizes them to work with you and incentivizes you to make sure it works for them. And the worst case scenario is if you offer a money-back guarantee and you can't deliver what you said you would, then most likely that business still gets some kind of result and you get that learning experience, which is invaluable. And so it's important to remember, like, you're not trying to be cheap. You're not trying to keep your rates low and be like the lowest possible price out there. And you definitely don't want to stay stuck doing free or cheap work forever. But you do want to build proof that you can deliver. Now, step 3 is landing your real first paid client, like full price client. So again, use Upwork, cold DMs, and cold email. And once again, volume is key. Send at least 10 to 15 messages a day per platform. And then leverage the results that you got with that guinea pig client. And lead with the dollars. Like, business owners speak in terms of dollars and value. So for example, I helped XYZ business type generate an additional $15,000 in sales last month and include a quick customized Loom video to build trust and rapport fast. Like, don't try to do those hacks at this point where you create the same video and then change the name variable in Loom and send it out to 10,000 people. At this point, you should be focused on sending customized, value-based outreach. And keep your offers simple and tied to a clear result. So once again, I helped this business generate $15,000 in additional sales. I think I can help you to do the same. And price it somewhere around $500 to $1,000, depending on complexity. And at this stage, you're not so much worried about scale as you are just landing that first real client win. Now, step 4 is deliver and template. So you want to deliver a high quality build that solves the business's problem. And once again, you want to gather a case study or a testimonial each and every time, if possible, that you work with a client and deliver them results. And then save your workflows, your assets, your Loom videos, your